things will happen. Something I shouldn't have said. I knew better. Well, you know what happened. And it ain't pretty. Well, welcome to Keeper of the Mountain. We have another week of excitement has happened here and trying to get the boat tail going, and well, I'm still waiting on parts. I have ordered a whole bunch of stuff, and all of it needs to come in order for me to advance on the engine. And I got a couple of key shipments I'm still waiting on. One's supposed to show up tomorrow, another one on Tuesday. So while we wait, this is what I've got to do. I've got to take the transmission, which is just disgustingly dirty. It's just got caked on grease and grime and road debris and what have you. I'm hoping that this transmission is still good because, I mean, as dirty as it is, yeah, I might be painting and polishing a turd. You never know. I guess I'll find out when I try to drive the car. The relevant fact is I have the transmission and I'm going to clean it up today. I've got to take it in to Marysville, which is about 33 miles away from where I'm at now. We're going to take it in there. We're going to clean it up. We're going to pressure wash it. I'm going to scrub it with gasoline because it's going to be outside. I've got plenty of ventilation. Bring it back home, prime it, and put the teal paint on it. Because I'm also going to paint the tail shaft black and the pan black. And so I kind of want to get all the teal paint on today so that tomorrow, Sunday morning, early, I can come out here, pull the masking off of it, and paint the black. And then have a completely painted transmission for the end of this video. So if you get to the end of this video and the transmission is painted, and the pan is black and the tail shaft is black, well, then you know I was successful. Otherwise, you know something happened. Well, things will happen. They always do. But we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned. Man, this is a lot of work. I am just scrubbing like mad. This is taking way longer than I anticipated. I figured it'd take about an hour to clean this transmission up. This has taken me 3 hours. And that doesn't include travel time. So, yeah, it's just taken a long time. I probably spent 5 hours on this transmission today. By the time I'm done, just trying to clean up and paint this transmission, I'm probably going to have a good 8-10 hours in this transmission. Just in getting it pretty. My word, that's a lot of work. That's way different. paint might even stick to that. I think it looks pretty good now. Now let's get it home. And you know, it hasn't rained the whole time. So maybe, just maybe, it won't rain the rest of the way home. Well, you know, the sky hates me. I'm on my way back and I say to my wife, something I shouldn't have said. I knew better, but I said it anyway. I said, you know what, it'd be nice if it hold off rain until I got home, because then this transmission would be nice and blow dried. It'd be nice and, you know, and I'd be able to put primer on it right away. Well, you know what happened. And it ain't pretty. It did not rain until I was 7 miles from home. And then it poured. So now, my transmission couldn't be wetter if I'd have just pulled it out of a tank of water. So now I need to spend time drying the transmission off before I can put primer on it. More time. It's just time, right? But I'll keep doing a little bit, because a lot of littles make a big. Purdy. You ever have one of those days where you work really late, way later than you should, and then you make mistakes? Yeah. It was one of those. It wasn't a huge mistake, but it's a mistake nonetheless. I didn't empty my memory card. I just didn't. And so I got out and got busy painting this transmission, and I failed. Transmission got painted, but you're not seeing any of that action of watching paint be applied. You only get to watch it dry. Ugh, there was an industrial accident. Good thing I saw that. I might have drank that. Anyway, here is the finished product. Now, ain't that a beauty? Look at that gorgeous thing. That's gonna be really, really, really nice. Get it behind that engine. Have the intake manifold nice and shiny black. That'll go good with the exhaust manifolds that are a flat black. Look at that. It's a thing of beauty. Well, I guess it's time to let it dry, and then we can put it all together.